Welcome to the stunning city of Sydney, an iconic Australian destination where modern architecture meets rich historical heritage. Today, we'll embark on a walking tour from one of the most recognizable landmarks in the world, the Sydney Opera House, to the majestic Harbour Bridge. This journey promises not only breathtaking views, but also a glimpse into the vibrant heart of this remarkable city. Our exploration begins at the Sydney Opera House, a masterpiece of architectural innovation and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Designed by the Danish architect Jørn Utzon, this iconic building was officially opened in 1973. The Opera House stands as a symbol of Australia's creative and cultural heritage, with its distinctive sail-like shells rising gracefully from the edge of the picturesque Sydney Harbour. As you stand before its grand structure, imagine the rich array of performances hosted here, from opera to ballet to theatre productions, drawing talent and audiences from across the world. While we take in the Opera House's architectural beauty, it's worth noting its rich history. The construction itself was an epic feat of engineering and artistic vision, taking 14 years and numerous challenges to complete. Today, it stands not only as a host to performances, but also as a canvas for artistic expression, illuminated at night with stunning light displays. Turning slightly to the west, let's make our way along Circular Quay, the vibrant harbourfront that serves as a gateway connecting visitors to the city and beyond. As we stroll along the quay, you'll be greeted by the rhythmic hustle and bustle of ferries, coming and going, transporting passengers to various parts of Sydney, from the beaches at Manly to the wildlife-rich Taronga Zoo. This area is a hive of activity, lined with a variety of restaurants and cafes, serving delicious cuisine inspired by cultures from around the globe. Moving forward, we encounter the Rocks, Sydney's oldest neighbourhood. A walk through this historic precinct is like stepping back in time. Its cobbled streets and charming sandstone buildings tell tales of early European settlers. Explore its vibrant markets that brim with handcrafted goods, local art, and enticing street food. As you weave through its alleys, you might feel the echoes of the past, with the Rocks preserving tales of convicts, whalers, and settlers who once called this place home. Following the path along the water's edge, our journey leads us to the climax of this walking guide, the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Known affectionately as the Coat Hanger by locals because of its distinctive arch-based design, this engineering marvel was completed in 1932, providing a critical thoroughfare connecting the city across the harbour. The bridge is as functional as it is beautiful, offering pedestrian walkways on either side. For those inclined to adventure, the Sydney BridgeClimb provides an exhilarating opportunity to ascend its arches. Here, high above the bustling harbour, climbers are rewarded with panoramic views that stretch from the distant Blue Mountains to the azure waters of the Pacific. For a less daring, yet equally fulfilling experience, simply strolling across the pedestrian pathway offers spectacular vistas of the city skyline and a closer look at the bridge's intricate steel structure. As we pause to admire the seamless blend of the natural and built environments, it's essential to reflect on the societal significance of these landmarks. The Opera House and Harbour Bridge are more than architectural feats. They embody Sydney's spirit, a city shaped by a bold vision, cultural diversity, and an indelible link between land and sea. Our walking guide culminates here, yet the journey could easily continue deeper into Sydney's myriad attractions. From the lush Royal Botanic Garden nearby to the dynamic arts and entertainment at Darling Harbour. Today's tour has provided just a glimpse of what this vibrant city has to offer. Sydney, with its remarkable architecture and rich history, invites exploration and inspires awe. As we conclude, one can't help but feel a profound appreciation for a city that is both a guardian of the past and a beacon of modernity. Whether you're a traveller seeking adventure or a local rediscovering your backyard, Sydney's charms are undeniable. Thank you for joining this walking exploration from the iconic Opera House to the majestic Harbour Bridge. May your time in Sydney be filled with discoveries, experiences and memories to last a lifetime. Safe travels as you continue on your adventures.